Good morning. This is Syamala Devi, working as assistant professor in ECE department, Annamacharya University, Rajanpeta. Today I am going to give a topic on Gunn Diode characteristics and conductivity. So, first of all, what is the Gunn Diode and the comparison between Gunn Diode versus PN junction. In the PN junction, it compares PN junction. Then in the conductor is considered the alpha current, even if the unit into junction, like the balance. But it consists of two vectors. The diode also provides a conventional electron negative. The diode electrical constant current. That means when the magnet the current gets rectified. I think it can be one unit it consists of all elements in which electrons are moved the generation in then what is the benefit? What invented John with Gunn in 1960s after the experiments on gallium arsenide. He observed non-wave experiments it is with the generation of electrical oscillations at microwave frequencies by a studying electric field with a magnitude greater than the threshold value. It was named as Gunn effect after this had been discovered by J.D. Gunn. The Gunn effect can be defined as generation of microwave power. Wherever the voltage applied to a semiconductor device exceeds the critical voltage value or threshold voltage value. How the Gunn diode is working? Gunn diode is made of a single phase of N-type semiconductor which has gallium arsenide, indium phosphide. Gallium arsenide and some other semiconductor materials have one extra energy band in their electronic band structure instead of having only two energy bands. Valency band and induction band like normal semiconductor materials. Because of an increase in the forward voltage, increases the field strength, then the number of electrons reaching the state at which the effective mass increases by decreasing their velocity, thus the current will decrease. Thus, if the field strength is increased, then the drift velocity will decrease. This creates a negative incremental resistance region in VI relationship. Thus, increase in the voltage will increase in the resistance by creating at the cathode and reaches to the anode. So this is the characteristics of the Gunn diode oscillator. So initially, when voltage is increases, the current is also linearly increases up to the peak point. It shows the positive resistance region. So after certain voltage, further we increase the voltage, Gunn bias voltage, the current will decreases. So this shows the negative resistance region. This is the so because of negative resistance region, this Gunn diode can be used as the oscillator. So coming to the advantages and applications of the Gunn diode. Advantages. It has much lower noise than infrared diodes. Gunn amplifiers are capable of broadband operation, higher peak to valley ratio in its negative resistance characteristics, and increase the efficiency when compared with the impact and rapid diode. These two are coming under avalanche breakdown regions. So lastly, applications. Gunn diode can be used as the oscillators, as low and medium power oscillators in microwave receivers as well as in instruments, as pump source in a parametric amplifier. So this Gunn diode is also used in high power Gunn oscillator, which is used as a power output oscillators. Thank you.